Have you ever felt like a beacon of light, drawing eyes wherever you roam? Perhaps you've pondered whether this magnetism is a blessing or a curse. Today, we embark on a fascinating journey to uncover some extraordinary reasons why you might find yourself at the epicenter of attention. I'm eager to share insights that could unveil the mysteries behind the gazes that follow you. Remember, if you catch someone's eyes on you, there's no need to confront it directly. Consider it a gentle whisper from the universe, hinting at deeper truths waiting to be discovered. So grab a notebook, as the revelations we explore today may shed light on why you often shine so brightly in the public eye. The magnetic effect of your radiant energy. It's fascinating to notice how often people find themselves drawn to you, and the reason might be simpler than you think. It's about the energy you emit. Many of you are on a spiritual journey, discovering new paths and embracing an awakening that isn't confined to your inner self, but is visible to those around you. This change is evident in the way your presence seems to shine, attracting attention and making you stand out in everyday situations, whether you're taking a stroll or shopping. This magnetic pull isn't just random. It reflects the powerful radiant vibe you project. Your energy does more than just light up a room. It acts as a signal to others. Often, this can make you the subject of curiosity, drawing people towards you because they feel a connection or are simply captivated by your aura. To ensure you don't miss any updates, remember to subscribe to our channel. Your journey is distinct, and the energy you carry is extraordinary. It's like a lighthouse, guiding not only those who are spiritually attuned, but even those who might seem out of sync with their own energies. As you move through the world, this energy resonates so profoundly that it cannot be ignored. You're not merely another individual in the crowd. You are a beacon whose spirit resonates with others, often without a word being exchanged. The glow you exude isn't just an invisible force, it's palpable, making you a figure of intrigue and allure. This isn't limited to drawing in good-hearted individuals. Sometimes those with less than noble intentions are also attracted to your vibrant spirit, perhaps as a challenge to their own energies. Yet, it's essential to focus on the positive aspects of this attraction. Your energy doesn't just make you visible, it makes you memorable. Seeing people frequently glance your way should be taken as confirmation that your positive vibes are not only seen, but are impactful. It's crucial to nurture the brightness that others see in you. By maintaining a kind heart, openness, and genuine positivity, you foster an environment where natural connections are formed. These traits not only enhance your spiritual journey, but also expand the circle of positive influences around you. So next time you catch someone's eye, remember it's a reflection of your inner light shining brightly, inviting the world to see not just who you are, but the remarkable journey you are on. The power of presence. One of the main reasons you often catch people looking your way is simply because of your unique appearance. You were not born to just blend in with the crowd. Your personal style and the confident way you move set you apart. This distinctiveness, along with your vibrant energy, ensures you are someone people not only notice, but also remember. Your presence is magnetic, pulling others toward you with the positivity and warmth you exude. So if you find yourself catching more glances than usual, it's a testament to the lively energy you bring into any room. It's something to take pride in, whether it attracts kindred spirits or stirs envy among others. Your distinct look is a key reason you stand out wherever you are. You're not meant to disappear into the background like everyone else. There's something uniquely captivating about you, whether it's your fashion sense, your hairstyle, or simply your demeanor. You glow in a way that's unlike anyone else, and paired with your inviting energy, it's no surprise you tend to mesmerize those around you. Your presence is far from subtle. It provokes a reaction in people, making them feel slightly off-kilter. Far from being just another face in the crowd, you're someone who makes a memorable impact, offering something special that commands attention. Being different and not fitting the usual patterns is precisely what makes you so appealing to others. This inherent appeal often plays a crucial role in how people perceive and interact with you in social settings. Your distinct flair not only marks your physical presence, but also enhances the way you engage with the world around you. This engagement is not just superficial. It deeply influences the dynamics in a room, often making you the focal point of conversations and interactions. Such influence isn't fleeting. It leaves a lasting impression that people carry with them, often recalling how your energy changed the mood and brightened the atmosphere. This magnetic charm, therefore, not only highlights your uniqueness, but also establishes a memorable persona that people aspire to know and connect with. In essence, your ability to stand out isn't just about how you look. It's about how you transform ordinary interactions into memorable experiences. Curiosity and intimidation in social encounters. At times, people might gaze at you out of pure curiosity. They notice something distinct about you and are eager to decipher what sets you apart. This curiosity could explain why you feel watched more frequently than usual. Yet there's another, somewhat peculiar reason why you might catch people staring: intimidation. Surprisingly, some individuals use their stare as a psychological tactic to unsettle you. Without saying a word or making a physical move, their piercing looks can create an atmosphere of tension and discomfort. Have you ever been subjected to a stare so intense it made you doubt yourself or felt compelled to break eye contact first? Such silent challenges can mentally corner you, making you feel scrutinized and judged without any verbal interaction. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. This type of encounter can be quite jarring, leaving you to ponder the intentions behind such unsettling attention. When you sense that someone is using their gaze to intimidate, the best course of action is to step away from the situation. Lingering could pull you further into discomfort, putting you on edge. Avoiding this tension helps preserve your personal energy and keeps your environment positive. Experiencing this kind of behavior can be a real test of how we handle uncomfortable social situations. It teaches us to recognize the signals others project through nonverbal communication like eye contact. Learning to navigate these experiences with grace and confidence can greatly reduce the emotional impact they have on us. Instead of feeling victimized, understanding why people may engage in such behavior and knowing when to walk away empowers us. This way, we maintain control over our reactions and emotions, ensuring we stay composed and self-assured in the face of provocation. Unintended envy. Sometimes when you catch someone staring at you, it might be because they're envious. Believe it or not, despite the various ups and downs you face, your ability to navigate these challenges with grace might just be stirring up jealousy among those around you. You possess a remarkable resilience, an invaluable trait that allows you to recover from setbacks with ease. This resilience can be perplexing to onlookers who find themselves baffled by your capacity to persist and remain positive in the face of adversity. It's a peculiar kind of attention to receive, but it's not uncommon. Your steadfastness and ability to thrive amidst turmoil can sometimes leave others feeling inadequate or bitter. That unnerving stare that makes you want to snap, "Cut it out, it's weirding me out." That's exactly what we're talking about. It's as if their jealousy is written all over their faces, unable to be masked. So when you see that look of intimidation and envy directed at you, take it as a compliment. It's a testament to your strength and a clear sign you're on the right path. Keep pushing forward, unaffected by the negativity around you. This kind of envy not only reflects your capability to handle life's obstacles, but it also underscores the impact of your success on others. It's important to remember that your journey might inspire others to reflect on their own paths and the possibility of overcoming their struggles. So, use their stares not as a source of discomfort, but as motivation to continue setting a positive example. Each envious glance can serve as a reminder of your achievements and the quiet leadership you exhibit by simply living your truth. Keep shining as an example to others, and let their envy fuel your drive rather than deter your spirit. Understanding and interpreting body language. People often try to understand others through their body language, and if you're particularly empathetic, you might find this very relatable. You have the knack for sensing the atmosphere in a room, deciphering others' emotions, and even predicting their next actions. Interestingly, the same scrutiny is directed at you. Others observe how you present yourself, what your next steps might be, and how you're feeling at any given moment. They might be gauging your mood to see if you're in high spirits or perhaps a bit down, particularly if they're with someone close to you. They act cautiously, careful not to say something inappropriate or surprising. This becomes even more important when dealing with complicated individuals or manipulative people like narcissists, where the ability to read subtle cues can be vital. Being alert to someone's prolonged stare, for instance, might reveal their attempt to figure out your thoughts or emotions. They're not merely staring, they're striving to understand you more deeply and get a sense of your emotional state. Understanding body language isn't just about navigating social waters or handling difficult people. It's about building stronger, more genuine connections. When you can interpret what someone is feeling or thinking through their nonverbal cues, you're better equipped to respond in ways that foster understanding and trust. For example, recognizing a slight smile or a quick glance can tell you if someone feels comfortable around you or if they need more space and time to open up. By paying attention to these signals, you can adjust your behavior to better align with their emotional state, making your interactions more thoughtful and meaningful. This skill of reading body language enhances your ability to empathize and connect, making you a more intuitive friend, colleague, and companion. Navigating the attention. Let's explore another reason why people might be drawn to you, and it's likely not a shocker: your appearance. Indeed, your style, from the way you style your hair to your clothing choices, radiates charm. People can't help but notice these qualities, naturally attracting them to someone who exudes good looks. It can feel a bit odd or even slightly uncomfortable when you catch someone staring silently in admiration. You might be tempted to break the ice with a light-hearted "need something" or even a playful "take a picture, it'll last longer." I've found myself in similar situations using humor to ease the awkwardness when faced with those intense gazes. However, if the attention comes with a hint of jealousy or feels intimidating, it might be best to simply walk away from any potential negativity. But remember, your beauty shines both inside and out, and your admirable features are certainly something to be proud of. People's stares might seem unusual, especially when you're unsure what exactly is drawing their attention. However, from their point of view, they're merely mesmerized by your looks. It may seem peculiar to you, but to them it's quite clear they are attracted to you. That being said, when you find people staring, it's not always for reasons you might assume. Some may seem like they have ulterior motives or aren't exactly fond of you. It's worthwhile to take a moment to assess their body language and unspoken cues. This might help you understand the true reason behind their stares. Who knows? You might discover that their interest is purely out of admiration or curiosity, which can shift the way you perceive these interactions. This approach not only helps in understanding others' intentions, but also in managing how you respond to such situations, keeping your interactions pleasant and light. Understanding observers. Finally, let's talk about another common reason people may be watching you: boredom. Yes, it's as simple as that. Some people enjoy observing others, whether they're relaxing on their front steps or spending time in a public space. They don't have any negative intentions, they're just killing time. This means not everyone who glances in your direction is harboring ill feelings. They aren't necessarily jealous or trying to threaten you. Maybe they like the way you dress, or they just have time to spare. Understanding their body language can often help avoid any confusion, especially when they are nearby. It's important to remember that there are numerous reasons why someone might be observing you, and keeping your attention on your own goals is key. Don't let the attention of others pull you off track. As you walk through life, not only should you avoid distractions from the actions of others, but also learn to interact with curiosity and kindness. For instance, if someone is watching you, They might actually admire something about you or could use a friendly gesture. Instead of feeling self-conscious, why not see it as an opportunity to connect? This approach not only enriches your social interactions, but also broadens your perspective towards human behavior. Keep an open mind, and you might discover more positive exchanges on your journey.